Again, it's going to be introduced at the. I'm planning on introducing it at the convention in 2020.
Oh, really?
So it won't be. Yeah, it won't be for sale until then.
Okay.
That's the plan on it.
So this one is Ghost Ranger, and it'll be introduced 2020.
Yeah.
Right.
At the convention. Probably at the convention.
How big is the bloom?
9 inches.
Wow.
Registered to the spider, it's usually about usually 4.5 to 5 to 1 ratio. But it
Wow.
varies widely depending on the day and how it twists and curls.
Yeah. What about this one?
That's seedling out of, I believe out of Mama Kuna and something. I don't remember exactly what it was out of. I'd have to, and I don't have my book here, so
Yeah.
it's too many. But
That's okay.
Mama Kuna, yeah, one of Ned Roberts' nice purple things with real high bud count.
I wanted to show this one, and we didn't talk about it. I got a really good picture of it earlier. Would that ever be an introduction, or is it?
Yeah, well, I mean the flower is pretty cool, but to me it's not. Doesn't have the scape to do it. I mean I don't want to introduce something with looks like 8 buds.
Yeah.
Pretty consistently. So yeah, to me that would just be its garden name would be Compost. I've got a lot of those this year.
You should name one that. That'd be really funny.
Now this one I'll probably
Introduce.
introduce here.
It's really nice.
Yeah, that's should be. Let me check to make sure here before I tell you what it's out of. Yeah, that's out of Green Derby, one of Tim Harrington's, crossed with one of my seedlings.
Wow. Is that an unusual form? Or spider?
I think it will be.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's I have to evaluate a little bit more. It does have wide spacing between the petals. We don't have as much of a huge gap, but it is pinched.
Yeah.
I mean it'd be hard to register it as a regular large flower.
Right. I'm gonna show the purple over here.
That's the same cross. If you can believe it.
It's the same cross?
Yeah.
Oh, that's weird.
Mm-hmm. That's what I'm saying. You're getting weird stuff out of the same cross. That's what's so fun about it. You don't know what's going to happen.
Yeah.
But I can tell similarities because of the colors in the.
So this is a cross out of.
This is Green Derby crossed with one of my seedlings.
Wow.
And they get
That's
this.
nice.
Yeah, real cool. Yeah, cool colors. And you can see the.
Yeah.
It's hard to see them when the sun's on bright, but there's a lot of stuff going on in that one. It's really cool.
Let's see.
Too bad you can't get the effect of the gnats in this too. You want to see the red one?
Yeah, we can show the red one.
It's pretty too.
Yeah.
Looks like some slug damage on there.
About how old is that one?
Well, this is 2 years. All these in here are 2 years old.
Okay.
This whole bed, except for the ones with the name on it up there.
Yeah.
Yeah, the whole bed is just 2 years old. These are all blooming for the first time this year.
Wow. Let's see. This one's interesting. This one I thought was the one that you showed. That's the unusual form mini, but this one isn't, is it?
No, that's way too, and that was that's a double, the mini.
Oh, really?
The double, yeah. Actually, I have to see if I can find it blooming today because it's right in the middle. It said it was a really tiny plant right in the middle of 2 crosses.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. No,
That's not.
That might be a sibling blooming today. Oh, actually, here it is.
Oh, is that it?
That's it blooming.
Oh, that's cool.
It's
Can I show
blooming.
it?
Yeah, it's different every day. There it is.
Wow.
About 2.5. That one might actually approach 3 inches across today.
Wow.
And that's part of the thing I've got to evaluate. See, the other scape, they were all 2.5 inches or so, and that one looks like about 3. So I have to, I'll let it grow for a couple of years and see the what size it actually is.
Can we go to the first bed? I wanted to show that really pretty double, the creamish.
The laverish color.
Now these are the first year seedlings.
Yeah, those were planted outdoors March 1st.
Okay.
And they got frozen a few times, a lot of times, probably 15 times, and it didn't hurt them at all.
Yeah.
Yeah, I found it doesn't matter. I don't care. I'd rather have them die from the cold and then try to baby them along. And
Yeah, look at this daylily. Isn't that weird?
that's a special daylily right
Wow.
there. Those are hard to grow. I spent years perfecting that one. You know, I haven't.
Oh wait, right here. This is. That's a nice double. Well, is it?
Yeah, well, like the form's real nice, yeah. Nice and
And these are all seedlings.
yeah, everything in here is unnamed seedlings in this group.
Did I already mention that I like this one, or?
No, you didn't. Yeah, that's a beautiful color on that one. I think that's one you're talking about. We didn't. Well,
Yeah.
yeah, and I'm looking at the clump. The clump is just awesome.
That is. This.
I've got about a dozen
That's nice.
flowers blooming all at once.
And then here's this one won what awards?
Oh, well, it won best seedling last year and an achievement medal this year.
Well. Oh, and this one with the midrib. Is it usually this tall, or?
Yeah. Yeah, that's one of the ones that actually got to the right height this year with the weird weather. So, yeah, we got some nice tall ones. We had a lot of them that just too short this year.
Oh, here it is.
There's the one you like. Yeah.
Yeah. I just think that the throat glows. It's just
It's
not
nice
the.
green. Yeah, the green. I mean, the green throat is nice when you get it because I think green sets off most of the colors.
And then, you know what this one reminded me of? It actually and I know it's probably nowhere even can, but it reminded me the color and the form of All American Chief.
Yeah, definitely. It's not that, but I see what
Yeah,
you're saying.
yeah.
Yeah, because I've never even had that one. I've seen it, but
Well, I haven't either.
yeah, honestly, I don't remember what that one's out of. 2 red daylilies, probably. Yeah, that's technical.
Yeah, this one's neat.
Yeah, that one got an achievement medal yesterday.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So, form was a little better yesterday. Wasn't curled in like that one.
And this one's nice.
You like that color pattern with the
Yeah.
green
Well,
with the soft pink and the
right,
pastels.
right before the sun hit this one, it had a lot stronger color to the eye. You see it there? It's really nice. It's almost like a hidden eye on it.
Yeah, it's very faint rose.
This one's nice. I don't think I saw that one.
And that's out of another one of Tim Herring's, One Eye Willie.
Oh, really?
This another seedling of mine. I mean, he has a lot of good stuff that brings out some great patterns,
Yeah.
colors.
And then this one's a really good throat on that one. The green with pink silk.
Yeah, I'd say pink. No.
Here's a nice white. Would you call that white or
Well,
cream?
yeah, it's definitely off-white.
Yellow-ish.
I guess some people would call it near white. I think it's. I'd have to. Yeah, that's the best I could do is near white.
And then this one's almost like a black in some spots. And then here's the garden. And then here's the deer. And then here's the wild man.